The big differences are, the first one that people will notice is that we spend less money. We spend about $1 billion less, and even with doing that, we start taking over the county Medicaid share, a third of that this year, with the goal of having that done in 3 years. Hence a third, a third, a third. And we cut taxes. We repeal the the temporary sales tax. We repeal the temporary income tax that went up to 8%. That's at 8% right now. The sales tax, the extra quarter-cent there. So we repeal those. On top of that, we create the Freedom Budget would create a flat 6% personal income tax rate, a flat corporate income tax rate of 6%. Add on top of that some tax credits for individuals with children and people who purchase their own health insurance to make up for the otherwise discriminatory nature of the federal and state tax systems. So we find savings in a number of areas of the budget and help out individuals, counties, all taxpayers across the board.